All right, I got this old Craftsman chainsaw, corded chainsaw here. I'm trying to find out, this thing could be from the 80s. You look at it here, got the old Craftsman logo, that coming up. So I'm gonna change the blade. I got this blade, need something, piece of wood here. Need something to prop it up on. Anyway, I want to get my impact driver greasy. I think it's 13 millimeter. All right, I'll be back. Thought it was I thought it was 16 millimeters, 13 millimeter. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I got the right socket, 13 millimeter. And also, I'm gonna send a link about this adapter right here. Okay. This is my Lego table / work table. Put on there? Okay. Okay. That right there. This thing is like really greasy. I should call it. Knock that on the floor. I'll let old dry grease. Shoot, knock it on the floor right now. This is really my Lego table here. I use motor oil as a lubricant. Oh, you know, I got jugs of that. When I change people's oil, just put a little bit of that in there. I don't get no chainsaw oil. Okay, so this is the. I'm trying to find the link to this. I got two of these for $10. But when this gets dull, it's a place up the street that sharpens them for me. And I think you might get like 6 or 7 sharpens on them before there. Okay, let's see, getting down here. Let's kind of compare it to the original one. Okay, just getting that. Okay, move my hand. Okay, so it looks like this. Work here. Yeah, the guy, he charged like $10 to sharpen it. But I got both. No, he charged $5. I think $5. I don't remember. But and then tomorrow I got a tree outside to cut. And okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, a little. Okay. Okay, we got an adjuster right there. Thinking I'll get it in there. Go run upstairs and get a. Yeah, I'll go upstairs. Yeah, the cordless stuff is nice. But at the moment, I don't have a. Okay. So I'm gonna stop it here. I gotta get a screwdriver to adjust. Do I have one over here? Okay. Let me stop it here. It's a little adjuster right there. So let me stop it here. All right. You can see that little hole right there. Like I said, when this get dark, I'm gonna get it sharpened. You know, it's not something we use all the time anyway, so I'll try to get some more information on let's see. Or instead of, oh, so I wanna go that way. Where is that? Let's see, where is that at? Take the blade off. There we go. Okay, now we got it. I should put this on. Probably make it. And I adjust it out. See where the screws up. And I adjust it. I'll try to get some information, figure out how old this is. Okay. Yeah, boy. We gotta adjust some of that slack off. You want to have a little slack, but got a whole bunch of slack. Okay. That's still on there. Okay, I think that's a little slack on there. Okay, make sure you're going the right way. I can't see. Getting the adjuster screw. Might be a little too much. Okay. Get my impact wrench greasy. Okay. I have to. Let's see. We need to. I think that's a little too much. I gotta get there. There's the adjuster screw right there. I'm going the right way. Okay, it's moving. Okay. Okay, that's too much. Okay. Okay, I think that might be good enough right there. Yeah, don't call me a lumberjack. If I can, I should need a really long extension cord. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to find a link to these really cheap chainsaw blades. A couple of years ago, I paid $10 for two. It might be a little bit more expensive now. And okay, gotta clean my Lego table off. Gotta clean off all this oil. Some of those, I don't got a video on this one yet, but this one here I did a video on. That was the first video. This is the first Lego video I did back in the summer of 2024. So that got me back motivated. I did the first video, then I went to the box and started putting these trucks back together, and it got me motivated. Now, since the summer of 2024, of course, it's April 2025, I've completed 6 trailers. So now I kind of got the bug back, you know, after being out of Legos for nearly 30 years. But anyway, I guess the next clip, we're going to see this old chainsaw in action. Try to find some information on it. I guess it's from the 80s, you know, early 90s. I think we had it nearly since the late 90s, I think. My mother, she bought it off a co-worker of hers. So, and we had it ever since. It doesn't see a lot of action, you know, but it does come in handy when it comes in handy. We had a storm a couple of weeks ago, and some trees fell down in our yard. So we're going to use this to cut it up, and we're going to see how it performs with this brand new Amazon. It's a brand new Amazon chainsaw blade. All right. And also, this is half full. Like I said, I just use some old motor oil. You know, any kind of lubricant to do. So make sure you check that, and I have to clean off this oil here. And you shave it. So this is really my Lego table. So okay, see you in the next clip. All right, I put the blade on backwards, so make sure you put the blade on right. I guess when I was recording it last night, I kind of wasn't really paying attention. So let's see what happened now. cut like butter. Good $10. I don't know how long it'll last for. You have to get it sharpened, but it's doing pretty good. Okay, pretty good. Just make sure you put the blade on in the right direction. Good $10 right there. Like I said, this is my first time using the blade, and plus, I don't use the saw enough to say how many cuts you can get before the blade start to get dull. But for occasional use every couple of years, $10, you can't beat it. And plus, you get two blades in a pack for $10. So $5 a piece, $10 for the whole thing was $10. Now the original purchase that wasn't available, so I found something that was close. I think it was around $13. So the price went up $3. But a couple of years ago, I spent $10 for 2 chains, and they're doing pretty good. Let's do it again. So there you go.